Hot on the heels of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus pricing leak from Evan Blass comes another revelation that Samsung will go all in with the tags of its upcoming flagships, this time coming from Spain. The promo leaflet from a local bank insider shows final pricing of €849 and €1,000, but does warn that the information is based on what is already leaked in the press, so it isn't clear if they mean the specs, or the phone's pricing. The amounts jibe in with the €841 and €997 tags that Mr. Blass posted, though, so it's probably the 900fps super slow motion and f/1.5 aperture super low light features they are referring to as fetched from press leaks. The difference of a few euros can be explained with the fact that prices in EU aren't uniform across the board, but vary slightly from one country to another, with the most expensive ones usually being in Italy, where the S9 Plus could easily surpass the 1,000 plus euro barrier, if history is any indication. The Galaxy S9 will feature a ReimAgent variable aperture camera, faster chipset, and new color options, while the S9 Plus adds another camera lens to the mix, but all that jazz won't come cheap, it seems. Fret not, however, as the number in euros usually stays the same this side of the pond, yet in USD, so we would be looking at an $850 starting price tag of the Galaxy S9 in the US, or about $35/month on a typical 2-year installment plan. The S8 Plus last year went for a Benjamin more than the S8 at launch, but its S9 Plus successor will apparently be about $150 more expensive than the S9, as it now differs markedly from the smaller sibling by landing with a dual camera module on the back. Thanks to the tags on high-end units by Apple and Samsung, global smartphone shipments experienced the largest quarterly drop on record in Q4, but at the same time Apple and Samsung are booking record profits, so the drastic 2017 price increase trend may very well extend into this year as well. Source: Rollout, Imgur. Via Reddit, Phone Arena.